Welcome to your credit coaching course and congratulations on taking a huge step towards great credit. My name is David Mihalik. I'm a certified FICO Pro, credit expert, and I will be your instructor. I've personally coached thousands of people and I'm looking forward to helping you as well. Before we get started, I want to share this with you. Over 70 million people in America have a poor credit rating. Now, for some, it was because they went through tough financial times. But for many, they simply never learned how to manage their credit correctly. And because of that, their credit is managing them in a cycle of credit challenges that goes on for years and years. Now, this is true of people from all walks of life. Over the years, my students have included CEOs, doctors, attorneys, to players from the NFL and NBA, even young college students, and just about everybody in between. They all had the same thing in common. They didn't know they were playing a high-stakes game where losing meant expensive penalties, like thousands of dollars in high interest, and even getting declined for credit. Starting today, I want you to look at credit like a game. To win, you have to know the rules. And too many people are losing the credit game because nobody ever taught them how to play. The credit bureaus, FICO, and every bank, credit union, and collection company in the country knows these rules, and they play to win. In this course, you'll learn the rules of the credit game, and I'll teach you how to play it and play it well. It's not hard. In fact, half of the game is knowing the rules. I'll show you exactly what to do and what not to do to win the credit game and achieve a great credit report and score. It is my pleasure to be your credit coach. Let's get started.